Hi everyone, planning a trip abroad. In this video, I'll show you how to get and activate the Xfinity Global Travel Pass so you can stay connected with ease. Let's get started. You have to select Global Travel Pass option while adding international plan. Log into your Xfinity account, select your phone line. In plan, select Global Travel Pass option. Follow on-screen option to buy the plan and activate it. Options for international use. Global Travel Pass. If you travel for multiple countries, this plan allows you to use your phone internationally at a flat daily rate. Cost typically ranges from $5 to $10 per day, depending on your destination. It covers calling, texting, and data usage. You can use it even if you don't end up using it every day. You can turn it off when not needed. Find your international plan rates. Go to Xfinity International page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then enter your country name in the search box. You will see the price details listed below the search box for different payment options such as Global Travel Pass, Pay As You Go, and calls from the US. Enable data roaming. For iOS devices, open the Settings app, tap on Cellular or Mobile Data, select Cellular Data option or Mobile Data option. Toggle the switch next to data roaming to turn it on. For Android devices, open the Settings app, go to Connection or Network and Internet. This may vary by device. Select Mobile Network, find the option for data roaming and toggle it to turn it on. Global Travel Pass rates. Features and details. Unlimited data plans, free call, text and data to or from Mexico and Canada starting March 22 to 2024. Buy the gigs plans. $5 per day for the Global Travel Pass in Mexico and Canada. Global Travel Pass rates. $10 per day in over 170 countries and $5 per day in Mexico and Canada. Data allowance. 512 MB of high-speed LTE data per day. Speeds drop to 2G after exceeding this limit. Data usage. Data used while traveling counts against your regular by the gig or unlimited data plan. Activate Global Travel Pass. Using Xfinity website, sign into your Xfinity mobile account on the website. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Then go to Activity page, select the phone line, scroll to the Plan Features category, select Plan Your Trip in the International Travel section, click on Get Global Travel Pass and follow the prompts to buy the pass. You will see a confirmation screen once you have successfully added the Global Travel Pass. Make sure your device is enabled for data roaming through your device's settings. Using Xfinity app, open the Xfinity app and sign in using the primary user's Xfinity ID and password. Tap on the Services tab, select Mobile Lines and Data Usage within the Mobile Services card. Choose the phone line you would like to add the Global Travel Pass to. Scroll to the Plan Features category, select Get Global Travel Pass and follow the prompts. You will see a confirmation screen once you have successfully added the Global Travel Pass. Ensure your device is enabled for data roaming through your device's settings. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.